Hello, and welcome to my channel. My name is Thomas. I am an automation advisor. Today, I will show you how to automatically pin an application to specific CPUs. But first, a few words about my setup. For demonstration purposes, I have the Prime95 utility already running. Prime95 is used to test numbers for primality, as well as for stress testing CPUs. In real-world workflows, you will have other CPU-intensive tasks, such as databases, machine learning and data analysis tools, video rendering and encoding, server-side game engines, and so on. Now let's get back to Prime95. It is consuming about half of my CPU cores, as you can see in Task Manager. Also, notice that Prime95 is using logical processors from two different physical CPUs, and the pinning is not enforced as it is jumping from one CPU to another. To change CPU affinity for Prime95, I will be using Fibade Automation Workshop. Automation Workshop is a no-code app that allows you to automate various tasks in Windows, including changing CPU affinity for apps and processes. Let's start with the creation of an automated task. Click the New Task button to start creating your first workflow. Workflows or tasks are created using the Task Creation Wizard, a tool that guides you through all the necessary steps. The whole process is quick and easy, and it doesn't require any programming knowledge. In this demo, I want to show you how Automation Workshop can detect that an app is running and start fine-tuning the app fully automatically. Workflows that start automatically require a trigger. Let's add one. Automation Workshop features different triggers for various purposes. For example, the Task Scheduler trigger can run your workflows on a specified schedule, for instance, once an hour or once a day, or on specific date at specific time. However, for this demo, I want our task to run when Prime95 is running. So I will choose Processed and App Monitor. Click OK to add this trigger to our task. Now let's select the app it will monitor. Choose Prime95 from the list of applications. As I want to trigger when Prime95 is running, let's choose If it is running from the drop-down list. Click OK. Click Next. Actions are basic building blocks that do the actual work. Click Add. We want to change the settings of a running app, so let's choose the Tweak App action from the Apps and Processes category. Click OK. Select an app you want to tune. In our case, it is Prime95. The Tweak App action allows you to modify the CPU priority for an app. This is the same priority that can be modified using Windows Task Manager. Also, it is possible to enable or disable the CPU priority boost. But I will leave these settings as is for this workflow. What I want to change is the CPU affinity for the Prime95 utility. As you saw, the Windows Processor Scheduler has randomly assigned CPU cores to Prime95. But what I want is to pin Prime95 to the last NUMA node. By clicking Select All, I can select the whole NUMA nodes. I am stopping at the last NUMA. Click OK to add this action to our workflow. Click Next. Adjust additional settings as necessary. And as the final step, give this task a recognizable name. I will call it Adjust CPU Pinning. Click Next. Now, when I click Finish, the trigger will automatically notice that Prime 95 is running and it will start our newly created task. Take a look at Task Manager as I click Finish. Automation Workshop has adjusted CPU affinity, and it is immediately reflected on the screen. Now Prime 95 is running on my second NUMA node, which is the same as the second physical CPU in my setup. You can also see the task output in the log pane. Sometimes, depending on what and how many other processes run in background, Windows can decide to reschedule the app to different logical CPUs. The easiest remedy in such a case is to go to the Process and App Monitor properties and adjust the retriggering timeout. For example, to change CPU affinity every 3 minutes. If you have not yet downloaded Automation Workshop, please do so via one of the links below in the description. No registration is required, and it takes only a minute to try Automation Workshop. The time-saving effect is invaluable. I hope you find this useful, and thanks for watching. Till the next time.